Yeah, absolutely. Aero-Mach is a family-run business established in 1971 in Wichita, Kansas. We have three different divisions. The first division is where we started with Aero-Mach Labs. We specialize in power plant indicators and fuel system components for anything from regional aircraft down through general aviation. We have a distribution business, Wilco Aircraft Parts. We purchased about 4 years ago, rebranded it into Aero-Mach Wilco. So that's the distribution side of our house. And then we have a manufacturing side through Aero-Mach Labs and also another acquisition, TCO Manufacturing, which is the manufacturer of static wicks for turboprop singles and twins. So we cover the gamut from MRO, distribution, and manufacturing.
Okay. And then for each of those divisions of the company, who are the primary customers that you're serving?
The primary customers are OEMs are our biggest customers and number one customers that we encounter more often than not. From there, we get into the MRO facilities themselves, and they're into fleet operators and private owners.
Okay. All right. So you kind of have the
The
different aspects
tiers,
of the chain. Okay.
absolutely, yeah.
Okay.
Because of the
And then
manufacturing side, because of our manufacturing side, that puts us in front of the OEMs on a regular basis, and we have that connection for all of our services, whether it be MRO, distribution, or manufacturing, and so we're able to play a role in everyone's supply chain.
okay. And are you guys and for those components that you're manufacturing, is that for new aircraft off the line, or are these for replacement parts, or both? How does that work?
That's a great question, and I'm glad you brought that up because we do have a manufacturing side of the house that's for in production aircraft. And one of the niches that we serve is we've done a phenomenal job of doing contract manufacturing for other OEMs and not just, hey, give it to us and let us build it, but we assume the entire process from sustaining engineering to parts obsolescence issues. And we
Hmm.
really have a team that's built around maintaining that product line and providing a support solution until its end of life. And as you know, most of these parts really never have an end of life if they can be supported. So we have a really great knack for doing that.